Hi there, Christoph here. Here is an update on the mobile app, the mobile arcade. So let's see, lots of work was done here. I think last update 2 weeks ago basically just introduced that the app kind of existed and was kind of a skeleton there. Now it's a lot more refined. And the biggest thing you'll see here is the navigation. I'll go through that. We have simple three tabs at the bottom. You got your activity, you have send and receive. Then at the top right, we have tags. So if I just want to see all the transactions labeled transport, I can do that. And then we have settings up here with everything that we know. But boring. Let's hop into the send view. So I'm going to go to send. And that defaults me to the camera feed. So you'll see in the top there is kind of a toggle, and tapping the tab again does basically the same thing. So I can quickly go back and forth between manual input and scanning. So I'm gonna look at something else here first before we scan something. In the bottom left, you'll see this little collage button, and those are actually my contacts. So these are contacts that I have. And if I just want to send to someone I already know, I want to send to Cappuccina Assassina, I'm gonna press the button here, type in an amount, 750, press send, and done. Good to go. Cool, that was easy. Now, if I want to scan a QR code, let's see, I've got one here handy. I can do that as well. It detects it, and it also gives me this view here as before. But I don't want to do that right now. So that's it. Very, very simple, I think. Then receiving follows a similar model. We have our tabs at the top, because there's also kind of a visual view and kind of a textual view, if you will. So here we have our basic BIP21 URI here that's being shared. But if I just want to see the addresses, I can do that. Right? They're shortened here as before. I can tap them to make them bigger or copy them if I want to for some reason if I need them. Then at the very top level in the top right, you see another option here. And that's where, let's say for some reason, I really want to receive through my Ark balance or on-chain or do a lightning thing, I can just change it here. And that then changes which addresses are being used across both of these views here. So, and that's basically it. I really think it's pretty straightforward. It's become a very simple app. There's a lot of depth in things, like for example, when I click some of the contacts here, right, there's the whole address editing. I can navigate here also and filter transactions by contact. There's this whole balance management. At the bottom, you'll see the refreshing. That is an Ark specific thing. That's not the final place there where it should go, but you can kind of see how it is all put together here. So that's it. I hope you like it. Let me know what you think. I am pretty happy with the overall structure, but there's still a huge amount of stuff that needs to be refined there. But thanks for checking it out.